Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again with the WRX. Unfortunately not the S2000 yet. But anyways, what's up everybody? Right now what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be doing a chrome delete on the WRX. So the WRX has this like little section on the side of the doors that's chrome. So I'm gonna show what I'm gonna do to make that go away. Right now though, I gotta go wash up the car, prep it and get it ready. Also, I am doing another video for it that will come out a little later. But for right now, we're gonna go get these couple items that I need, wash up the car, get the couple items I need, and then we'll go from there. Alright you guys, so I washed the car, washed it here at the house instead of going, well I actually went to the car wash but it was packed, so instead I just came to wash it here. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a chrome delete on all this right here. I washed the car, I'm gonna clean this off again. I'm gonna use vinyl. I was gonna use plastic dip, but I have worked with plastic dip in the past and I don't really like to work with it. It's annoying to work with. I know it's peelable and whatnot, but it's just a pain in the ass. If I'd had to mask all this off all around, and yeah. So instead I'm gonna try this vinyl. I guess if it doesn't work, I'll do some kind of peelable paint. But for now, I'm gonna try this, see if I fail or succeed. And then I'm still going to go to probably AutoZone or something to get paint, like a restore for this stuff. This over here, I think I'm gonna try it on the top right there, see if that works out. And we'll see how that goes. So let's go for it. Alright you guys, so this kind of was like a complete fail. I mean, not completely. It didn't come out too bad right here. Over here, it did come out worse. You can see some of the chrome trimming. It's just a hard thing to cut out. So I'm gonna have to go towards peelable paint. But I mean, at the end of it, with everything being cleaned off and restored back, it's gonna look clean. It's gonna look clean for sure. Alright you guys, so I kind of fucked up. So I guess this little chrome piece can come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off instead of taping it all off and making sure nothing else gets you know, in the way or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This piece usually comes off pretty quick. Alright, so if you plan on doing this, there's gonna be the cover right here. Go ahead and just pry it off. And then there's gonna be a screw right here. If you wanna go ahead, that screw right there, go ahead, take that off, and then take those two screws off. You got those three screws off, go ahead and put them in here. I guess that'd be the safest place for now. And then you're gonna grab your pry tool again, come to the front over here, pry that little piece off. There's a clip in there. Just pry that off. There's a clip in there. Put that right there, and then you're gonna grab your pry tool. Oh, this goes with the, don't lose this, that goes with this cover right there. And then you want to get this, and there's gonna be like a tab in there. Just go ahead and press it with the pry tool, and you can, or I can do it with my finger kind of too, and just pull up. Right there, it's out for me. Oh, right there. So all thing came out. Oh shit, oh shit. It all came out just like that. Go ahead and put that to the side. The only piece you guys won't be able to take out and will have to mask is this one. I know I took off all the tape. Oh well. So then you can also do this one, but I think you'll have to remove your whole light. Your whole, I mean, rear view. But the screw is right here for the front. And then grab my pry tool. Pry this off. Once you get that pried off, you'll have 3 screws. Go ahead and take those off as well. Alright, once you got all 3 screws off and this one, just go ahead in front, just kind of like probably pull up, same thing as the other one. There we go. Now do it all do it for the other side as well. I have failed twice already trying to do this chrome delete. It's gonna be a 3rd time. We're gonna go ahead and do it and see how it goes. Should be quick, but I mean, we'll see. Hit it with that first coat already. Alright, this is how it's looking so far. I mean, not bad. It's whatevs. All it is just peel coat, matte black from AutoZone. I could have probably used some just regular paint as well, just to permanently do a delete, but I just did this. Why? I don't know, but I did. Oh well, it's working. I was gonna do this one, the smaller piece right here, but I don't have time, so I had to do it another day. I did mask it off. I could have done it, but I fucked up. I took off all the tape, kind of just like abruptly. But this is gonna get done. But this one should get done within the next 10 minutes, and I should be able to put it back on and get going. The only reason I can't do the other small pieces is because I don't have enough time. But this one should be good enough for at least now. Alright you guys, and just like that, I have the chrome delete. It is done. In my opinion, it looks way better as you can see. Still got that little piece, but like I said, I didn't have time to finish it. But we're gonna go ahead and continue. I'm gonna do the other side, but for now, I mean, it's good. Alright, so there's a closer look at how it's looking, how it looked, or how it turned out. Still hadn't done the other piece because this was later at night, the same day. It's looking better, so it looked all good, turned out good. Then here's a video of Nacho's dirty face. Enjoy. Well, that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one. Peace.